Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. We know that English has 6 levels like A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2. If you want to reach the B1 level as an English spoken trainer, I have some advice for you. In addition, sometimes majority of my brother and sister ask me how can they be an English speaker. Now here is the answer. Let's start. Firstly, you have to master the following topics. Number 1, person and case. This topic is so significant. For example, I go to college. He goes to college. Why is it sense? Understand it perfectly. Number 2, sentence and case. This topic is very important. You must know how to form sentences correctly, how to identify sentences correctly. For instance, assertive, interrogative, imperative, optative, exclamatory, simple, complex, compound, etc. Number 3, tense. This topic is a very crucial for reaching the B1 level. I always say that if you don't know tense in English, you don't have sense in English. We know that there are 12 tenses in English. You don't need to learn 12 tenses. You need to learn 6 tenses. I think these are sufficient. Number 4, auxiliary verbs. We know that auxiliary verbs are divided 2 types. Main auxiliary verbs, am, is, was, or, etc. Modal auxiliary verbs, can, could, may, might, will, would, must, etc. You should study goodly. Number 5, passive voice. This topic is so essential for achieving the level B1. In general, when we speak Bangla or English, around 30 or 40 sentences are used passive. That's why this topic is so significant and this topic is the most powerful. Number 6, preposition. I think that without knowing the preposition topic, you won't be able to speak perfectly. Besides, you have to memorize some vocabularies. Now your question is, how many vocabularies should we memorize? Honestly, it is difficult to give the exact number. However, you can memorize 1500 or 2000 essential words. This is many thanks for watching my video. If you face any problem to learn these topics, contact with me. Inshallah, I will try to solve your problem.